Breathe slowly. Let each phrase ripple through your body like moonlight into your own roots, sunlight into your own branches. You can speak these words aloud or silently within, or simply let this frequency wash over you until it hums in your cells. I am both softness and strength. My rest is sacred. My rest is the fertile ground of my destiny. Every time I rest, I create the fertile ground of my expansion. I am the marriage of the moon and the sun, balancing duality with ease and with grace. I am nourished, I am luminous, I am whole and complete. I am held in the quiet light of the moon, bathed in her silver glow, safe in the arms of the night, of quiet, of stillness, of restoration. I am nourished at the very roots of my being, drinking deeply of earth's sweet, dark soil. I am replenished, restored, and renewed in the roots of the earth. Every golden thread of my nervous system healed, repaired, soothed, and brought into perfect harmony. I am calm, and the restless winds within me grow still, their wild whirling dissolving into peace. I am releasing now all excess noise. I am now rising into my most expanded self, like a seedling reaching for dawn, stretching open into the warmth of the sun. I am freeing myself now from the loops of limitation and habits that no longer serve my highest good. Circles of thought dissolve like mist in the morning light. I am clear, focused, and radiant with vitality. My inner flame burns steady and strong. I am now remembering my radiant purpose. I am now allowing my soul and my heart to lead me there. I am now awakening to my own inner reserves of energy, replenishment, and strength. I am now connected to the infinite source of energy, power, and light within me. I am now surrendering to the mystery of my unfolding purpose. I am now walking the path of my highest destiny, trusting each step to reveal the way ahead in the perfect way and the perfect time. I am aligning now with the path of my highest becoming, guided by my authentic soul's essence. I am embracing my own duality, my own shadow, and my own light. I am the softness of the moon and the strength of the sun. I am restful even as I act, live, go about my day, and move in the world. I move with rest, with grace, with calm easefulness. I am radiance born of renewal. I am the marriage of root and branch, of earth and sky, of night and day. I am alchemizing all polarities now into power, strength, harmony, beauty, and coherence. I am nourished at the deepest level of my being. I am allowing my soul's luminous light to emanate. I am whole and complete within myself. Blessed be, Radiant One.